Let's learn how we can connect the Claude with Blender. Make sure that you have the Claude AI Windows app installed, and also make sure to install the Blender latest version 5.1.1. Minimize Blender. Let's go to Claude. On the Claude app, you're going to come to sidebar, click here and go to customize, and then go to connectors and come here, click on connect your apps. Now search in here Blender, click on plus, install. You're going to wait for some time. Once it has been installed, make sure that it's enabled here, and you're going to come to this section here, and add-on is required to use the MCP server. Click on this link. You'll get this download option. Click on download. Once it's been downloaded, we're going to go to Blender now. Come to the top left side on Blender, click on edit, go to preferences, click on add-ons, and come to this option. Click on this drop down arrow and select install from disk. Now go to downloads folder, find the downloaded file, this one, and click on install from disk. It's been installed. Make sure that this one is ticked here, MCP. Now the Claude has been successfully connected with Blender. You can give commands on Claude to execute the processes on Blender.